In this particular video you're about to watch, I'm going to show you ways you can currently make more money on the Gate.io through the startup program and the platform right now. So I'm going to take you through the step on how to get this done very fast. So the first thing first right now is actually to get a Gate.io account. And how do you get that? I have a link to the description of this particular video. You can sign up or you can go to your Play Store to download the Gate.io right now. So after you download the Gate.io, what you need to do is to make sure you verify your KYC. So to get that done, you need to come to this icon that shows your picture right here. So you click on it. So once you click on it, right, so you go straight to this, then you're going to be seeing this particular site that I said KYC verification right here. So you click on it. So you must confirm and complete your KYC verification through your address, ID address, and also your ID card. So after you get those two done, it's actually going to be showing a green sign just like this for verification. So after you've done that, then you are good and set for this. So let's start up with the startup program right now. So you come back again to this particular site that says the picture, then you're going to click on it, right? So once you click on it, you're going to see something right here that says the startup. Then you click on startup right now. So on your startup, you are going to see there's a lot of airdrop programs that are currently launching on the Gate.io, and you need to participate in them right here. So this is what you need to know about this particular update. So about the update, so right now you can see we have different type of project on the exchange and also project on Web3. So if you come back to this, you are going to see we have a lot of projects right now that you are currently familiar with that are launching very soon. Then you can participate in them right now. So for this one that is launching very soon in 15 days, right, I can participate in this, then click on claim to earn. Then this is going to be showing me the profit I can actually get from this particular platform right here. So one thing first you need to know again is actually you need to have a balance on your spot right now. So you come back to this right here. So you need to get this particular account. So you come back to your space and you search for GT. So GT is actually the Gate.io wallet right now. So you search for GT. So once you search for GT, you are going to see this is GT right here. So you are going to see, you click on GT. So GT is currently trading about $9 right now in terms of the market, right? And you can see the graph of this particular account. So you need to have about 10 amounts of this. How do you deposit? You click on deposit, then you deposit through your on-chain. So you can convert, you can do conversion also. You can actually convert from USDT to GT right now. So just click on this, right? You click on the amount of GT you want to convert to USDT, right? So after you've done that, also there is another one you need to focus on, which is the ARCA. So you search up this particular site again, you're going to see capital ARCA right here. Then you click on search also. So ARCA is actually going to pop up also for you right now. You can see. So you click on ARCA right here, and you can see ARCA is already trading at 0.06 right now. And this is one thing you need to know. So you can jump into this particular project also and get. So how do you particularly get it? You can get it through this. So you can see you can deposit, you can convert, and you can make some stake right here. So I'm still going to be showing you more updates and more benefit from this particular area, right? So you click on deposit. You can deposit through your on-chain and your gate code, or you actually do a conversion. So for your conversion, you can currently convert USDT to ARCA right now. Just click on the amount of USDT you want to convert, and it's actually going to be showing right there. So once you have your Gate.io and USDT right here, so and you have the minimum amount of 10 USDT in them right here, so you can go ahead for your startup program right now. So if you come to your assets right now, and your asset you're going to be seeing the startup program is actually going to be showing for you to be able to see, right? So you click on it. So once you click on it right here, like the one I said right here, so you need to upgrade to be able to earn more. So you click on upgrade right here. You're going to be seeing the option for the upgrade is actually going to pop up for you to be able to upgrade. So if you upgrade from a VIP to an higher VIP, you're going to be getting higher income, right? So okay, so let me go back to the VIP. So this is the VIP program for this particular project right now. So you can see we have a lot of update, right? So this is the VIP program. So on VIP 0, you are going to be getting trading volume is 0. So on VIP1, the trading volume is about $60,000 right now, and you need to, or you have about 10,000 GT right here. So 1,000 GT, no, 100 GT I mean, and for the V2 we need to have about 300 GT right here. So the amount to actually upgrade, you are going to be getting more income right here, and that's quite sweet and straightforward, right? So currently you need to like upgrade your VIP to be able to earn more on this particular platform right here. And also you need to like go ahead to do some staking, right? So how do you do staking into this particular project right now? So let's assume this particular one that says the meme5 project right now. You can see, so currently it has not been available for mining. Then you can click on, you can be notified when this actually come out. So you can click on notify me when this is out. So I'm going to click on this, notify me for free airdrop when this is available. So let's check out the airdrop that are currently available right now. So the ones that are available right now are currently these. So right here you can see the airdrop that I've actually finished from this particular project is about 1,462 airdrop that are currently done right now on this particular project, and that is quite massive and straightforward, right? So let's go into how you can currently do your staking into this platform right here. So come back to your page and come back to startup right here. So once you click on startup, you can actually see, so let's click on this that is currently launching very soon, right? So you are going to see the trading. You can actually do trading, you can purchase GT, I can do some deposit also right here. So if I click on claim, so right, I'm going to see if I'm eligible to claim. So for me to be eligible, I need to have about 10 spots according to be able to participate in this particular stuff, as I said earlier. And this is another area you can actually get your spot, right? You click on trading. So once you click on trading, you are going to like come to this site. You click on trading, then you click on sports right here. So you click on sports. So once you click on sports, it's actually going to pop up like this. Then you change this direction, you change this to GT. All right, so once you change it to GT, it's actually going to pop up for you, right? This is the gate.io handle. Then you can see this is the gate.io. Then you input the amount you want to get. So make sure you have about 10 GT into this right now. That's about 90 USDT right now, and get that done. And also for you to get for the ARCA, it's actually easy and straightforward. Also just input ARCA also, then click on your search. It's actually going to like pop up for you. Then you click on it, you will click. So let's as we want to have 10 of this also, you click on it, then that is equivalent to 0.6 times up. So this is actually still low, and it is quite easy to be achievable right now. So one of the stuff we need to know about this particular update also is that there are a lot of opportunity and airdrop that you can actually look up forward to, and you can like see when they're actually mining. If you miss the airdrop mining, you can still get the opportunity right here for staking. So we have a lot of airdrop coming up soon right here, and click on notify me for them. They are going to get notified when they are actually popping up right here. I've already clicked on them, they are notifying me. So once they pop up, actually come right here to start staking as fast as possible. So on the web also, we have the same thing on web. So we have the same thing. It's quite easy and straightforward. You click on claim now, then you go right there, you check the one you want to claim, so the token, the airdrop, and thereabouts. Then you click on claim now also, and you're going to be getting access to this particular store. So if you have question, please go straight to the comment section of this particular video and drop your question. And if you have anything you want me to talk about, you can go at the comment section also to talk. So I was going to see you in my next video.